In front of me is Nubiapad 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock. Then tap on alarm section on the left at the top. And before creating new alarm, use those three dots at the top right corner. Then select settings and adjust all of those options under alarms however you want to, like snooze. Then go back and tap on this button with a plus at the bottom right corner. Finally, set up an hour and hit OK. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. Now to adjust it, manage all of those options. At the top, name it however you want to and hit OK to save its name. Then tap on days of the week to set them up and click on pause alarm to exclude some dates. To save them, hit OK, and to remove them, click on remove button right next to them. Now click on this little bell. Select sounds or YouTube music at the top, and if you want to pick YouTube music, log in to your account to use music from it. If you want to select sounds, you can click on Add New under your sounds. Tap on any song from your device to set it up and go back. You can also just tap on one of those sounds to apply the best one, like After the Rain. Go back and using those two icons next to Vibrate and Google Assistant routine, enable or disable those options. To hide all of those settings, click at the top right corner of your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it off completely, use blue switcher next to it. To switch it back on, hit the same now gray one. To make some changes to your alarm, click at the top right corner of it and change wherever you want to. To get rid of it, select Delete at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!